Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, what looked this morning to be, maybe an exciting day, it turned out to be kind of a fizzler. I mean, we're getting still a lot of volume, which we've been getting for the last 6 months. But while the market sold off pretty good in the first hour of the day or so, half hour of the day or so, didn't really do too much since then. Why? Well, because there's a couple of things that are on the radar, but none of them are really happening today and probably not tomorrow either. Wednesday is the first thing that is on my radar, and that is the FOMC announcement. It is widely expected that there will be a 25 basis point cut. There's a 3.9% chance factored into the CME Group's Fed Fund contract of a 50 basis point cut. But there's always somebody who has these overzealous thoughts. The only thing I am thinking is that if we get to the expected 25 basis point cut, I wonder if the market could sell off because of the minority of people who think that the cut could be bigger, and maybe just some Wall Street folks betting with their dollars and saying, hey, I want to show my discontent with this. I don't know. I've seen things like that happen in the past. I think it's either going to be a non-event or a little bit of a pullback, unless, of course, Powell says something highly unexpected in the after comments. Now, the next thing on my radar is that on October 1st, there is a potential government shutdown. Yes, crazy, right? Should this ever happen in history? No. Should it ever even be a thing to be talked about? No. But these are the people that have gotten elected. I guess we're all guilty, huh? But here's the deal. They're working on passing a stopgap bill to kick the can down the road till sometime in November, 12th or something, I want to say. But if they don't get this passed within the next 14 days, that would be catastrophic. And what tends to happen with these things is as we get to the last couple of days, if there's not an agreement reached, the market tends to sell off pretty hard. Probably we won't see action on that for a little bit, but that's got to remain on everybody's radar. If it gets wrapped up, that's good. We'll probably see it pop up. And if it doesn't, we could see at the end of the month a sell-off. Now, September's statistically the worst month for stocks, and so far it hasn't been a bad month at all. These are the only major things on my radar besides the rest of the news that will be released on employment and inflation throughout the month, mainly employment. I don't know. There's not many other catalysts for the market making a big move either way, which I would expect to probably be a little bit of more of a drift higher. Those are my thoughts. Those are the things that are on my radar. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.